Welcome to Okicook&Wfcooker Electric Appliance Co. Ltd. Wfcooker Electric Appliances, with an industrial base covering an area of over 9,000 square meters, has built a complete industrial chain that integrates hardware, stamping, injection molding, accessory production, and finished product assembly. It has advanced automatic assembly lines and professional commercial and household kitchen appliances. We independently research and develop core components and multiple professional production lines to meet your customized configuration requirements. We focus on the field of commercial and household kitchen appliances, ensuring superior performance of each product. A large R&D team constantly explores cutting-edge technologies to meet customers' equipment manufacturing requirements. International advanced testing equipment is at the forefront, and strict testing processes run through the entire process. A professional quality inspection team strictly controls to ensure that every product exceeds the national standard and protects users. Tailored exclusive solutions for you, including engineering customization, export customization, OEM, ODM, wishing you to stand out in the market competition. Choose Wfcooker Electric Appliances, carefully craft every product and work together to create a better future. Wfcooker Electric Appliances inherits the spirit of craftsmanship and strives to create every product with care.